Today I'll be going through a case study of one of my new stores I've been able to bring from 0 to 50k in 50 days just off Google Shopping. I've been able to peak at 2.5k days and hover around roughly 1k days. So I actually went ahead and got you guys a screenshot of my store. As you can see, I have actually 3 winners here, which I have over 50 purchases, and one of them is getting conversions at $9 per conversion, which is insanely cheap. The profit margin on the item is roughly $20. Actually, this is AUD, so that means it's roughly 7 USD cost per purchase, and my profit margin is 20 USD. So as you can see, you cannot get these numbers off Facebook ads. But as you can see, I'm sort of hovering around 2k days, so I can't scale to the moon and hit those 10k days, 20k days, or 30k days off Google Shopping. What I'm going to do next is I'm actually going to go through my whole process. The first thing I did was I had 300 plus products on my store, and what I did was I actually uploaded all the items and I tested all the items at once. What you do is you install Google Shopping on your Shopify store, then you upload the items onto Google Merchant Center, then you bring those items to Google AdWords. 2, I set up all my items for Google Shopping. And what I've done is I've basically set up and allowed Google to basically advertise all my items on my store. If the products didn't work and it was unprofitable, I'll kill it then. But then I'll be left with the best of the best. 3, you let Google do all the work. So the good thing about Google Shopping is it searches for the buyers. It ranks your products. So Google does all the work. So that's why it's way better than Facebook. If things are stable, I just leave it for a week, don't touch it, and come back to it in a week and optimize things, add new products, stuff like that. Hence, it's definitely more superior when it comes to automation and looking for something that does the work on its own. 4, what would happen is Google would actually rank your products, basically get you purchases based on your product description, product title, tags, photos, stuff like that. Google will automatically rank it, people search different things, your item will come up, and that's how it works. Unlike Facebook, where you're just competing against other people and you're going to have to monitor it every day. 5, as I said again, Google will automatically find you guys winners. That's why it's really, really good. You're putting up 300 products and Google will automatically rank the products and see which products are in need and getting a lot of searches and getting a lot of sales. Only downside is it's not scalable. You're limited to the amount of people that search for the item. So if 100 people search for the items every day, that's a limited amount of people that's going to see the product. Hence, you want to scale with more and more products, and that's how you even reach higher days. Basically, when I'm testing the 300 products, it's on its own campaign. When you find winners, you actually want to bring it off into a separate campaign. Now, the advantages of doing this rather than just leaving it into the whole store's campaign is it will allow you to have a separate budget, have a separate bid, and you could optimize the keywords for that product. Now, 7, eventually, as you keep the campaign running for a longer period of time, your products will get more and more higher ranked, you'll get more purchases, you'll get more clicks, and that's, Google will then rank your items higher and higher. You'll get more and more winners. You'll start finding products starting to optimize and you get more purchases. So it's actually good in the long run. So it optimizes on its own. That's something Facebook definitely doesn't do. Once you get 50 purchases on an item, you definitely can use the data. If you're looking at this product, these 2 products have gotten over 2,000 clicks. So that's over 2,000 view contents that I'm then doing lookalike audiences on Facebook and getting even more purchases and scaling on Facebook as well. So definitely you could still utilize Facebook ads to even take your Google Shopping store to the next level.